In this video, I will show how to hide rows in Microsoft Excel. So right click on any row, like you want to hide this row number 31. It's actually row number 14. So right click on it and here the option hide. So now we can see that row is hidden. And to unhide, you will see your cursor is in this row number 13 border. So right click on it and unhide. Similar way you can hide multiple rows. Select it, right click on it and hide. To unhide, again click on this border, then unhide. So this way you can hide rows in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. In this video, I will show you how to unhide rows in Excel. So if some rows are hidden in your Excel, so right click on it and unhide. Right click and you will see this option unhide. Just select it. To find out sign to hidden rows, here you will see this bold borderline for any key. So after number 7 we can see is the like double line. So right click on it and unhide. So thanks for watching.